In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add category in TikTok Shop. Getting your product into the right category is crucial for visibility, search accuracy, and a smooth approval process, so we'll walk through it clearly from start to finish. First, open your TikTok Shop account and head to your Seller Center dashboard. You can do this on desktop or through the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're in the correct region for your shop, as categories and rules can vary by location. From your dashboard, go to the Products section. This is where all your listings live and where you'll manage your inventory. Look for the option to add a new listing and click Add Product. That will open the product creation form. Start by adding an image. Your main image should be clear, well lit, and show the product exactly as the buyer will receive it. Use a clean background, avoid heavy text overlays, and ensure the file isn't blurry or cropped awkwardly. If the platform allows multiple images, your primary image still sets the tone, so make it your best. Consistent, professional images help your listing pass review more smoothly and attract more clicks. Next, enter the product name. Keep it clear and descriptive so shoppers immediately understand what you're selling. A helpful format is brand, product type, and a key attribute like size, color, or material. Avoid using excessive punctuation or unrelated keywords. A precise name supports search ranking and helps the review team confirm your item is compliant. Now, add your category. You can browse through the category tree or use the search bar to find matches. Choose the most specific category that truly fits your product. For example, instead of a broad home or beauty category, drill down to the exact subcategory that describes the item. Picking the right category isn't just about organization. It determines which attributes you'll be asked to fill and what rules apply to your listing. If you're unsure, compare similar items on TikTok Shop to see where they're placed, then match accordingly. Once you've completed those details, click Submit for review. Your product will be sent to TikTok's moderation team. Review times can vary, but you can track the status back in the Products section. If you receive feedback asking for changes, edit your listing, refine the image or name if needed, confirm the category, and resubmit. That's all there is to it. Clean visuals, a clear name, the most accurate category, a category, and a confident submit.